Residential and commercial projects require products that gather functionality, beauty, safety, and practicity. Its development aimed to gather the lightness and finesse of pivot with the functionality of a door closer, made of stainless steel, free of oxidation and totally armored, avoid the entrance of liquids, providing a greater resistance, durability, and easy to install. It weighs only 10.5 ounces, and it is made of a robust structure capable of supporting doors up to 550 pounds, doors with up to 47 inches, and suggested to be installed on double-action doors. Its design of small proportions apply beauty and harmony to the ambience. Wooden doors should be installed with pivot hardware. Open both sides with fixed stop at 90 degrees. It closes perfectly aligned. It rotates 360 degrees on its axis. When installed on the center, it holds doors double of the width. The application on aluminum and glass doors are wide. Marix door closer is design, practicity, ergonomics, and technology. All that with 5 years warranty.